We went to the south area. So, yan. Book sale po. SM Calamba. Yan, sa Laguna po. Medyo madami-dami po ito. Although sale lang siya. But we have to have them. No? We can use on our journaling. Spiritual improvement. Ayan, nasira ng ating paper. This is our haul from SM Calamba. Book sale SM Calamba. Ito yung ating receipt. So, we have ano yan? Friends. Encouraging each other. So, it's a workbook ba yan? Okay, the Daniel plan. Then, another one is making your case for Christ. An action plan for sharing what you believe and why. So, spirituality. Then, how to be hot. Hot is happy, open, and trusting in your relationship. Yan. So, just 10 pesos. 10 pesos. 10 pesos. Yan. This one is 35 pesos. Live abundantly. Although we are not sure kung meron na tayong ganyan. But we still bought it. Study in the book of Ephesians. So, kasi parang kulay called abundant. Hindi yan. Live abundantly. Yun. Live beautifully. Anyway, binili natin siya for 35 pesos. What's your ministry? 13 ways to be in all. So, ayan. 35 pesos din. And Battlefield of the Mind by Joyce Meyer. Winning the battle in your mind. So, yeah, 35 pesos. Yeah, so those are all from book sale in SM Calamba. So, madami na naman tayong books to read. Stay safe, everyone. God bless you all. Thank you for watching. See you on our next video.